Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Dyson V11 Parts is probably one of the most essential investments for any Dyson V11 owner. Over time, components like filters, batteries, and brush heads wear down, impacting your vacuum suction and cleaning ability. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Dyson V11 replacement parts, exploring what you need to know to keep your vacuum running at peak performance. Number 5. Dyson V11 Roller Brush Roll Bar Replacement. This replacement part is made of high-quality material, delicate and soft. It effectively helps your vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean the floor. Enjoy a quieter cleaning experience. The quiet clean rolling brush design significantly reduces vacuuming noise, creating a more peaceful environment for you and your family. Easily remove dirt, dust, and trash from corners and edges. This brush ensures a comprehensive clean, leaving your home spotless. This part replaces numbers 970135-01 and 970100-05. It's a perfect fit for your Dyson V11 series vacuum. It fits Dyson V11 series, V11 Absolute, V11 Animal, and SV14 models. Ensure the perfect fit for your vacuum cleaner. The package includes one brush roll brush bar assembly. Get yours today and restore your vacuum's cleaning power. What we like. This roller brush features a quiet clean design, which is perfect for families. It effectively removes dirt and dust from corners and sides. If you value a peaceful cleaning experience and want to maintain a quiet home environment, you should consider this. What people say. The parts fit perfectly and the vacuum works like new. The replacement parts were exactly what I needed. Easy to install. Number 4. Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 V15 Vacuum Attachments. These attachments are designed specifically for your Dyson vacuum. They feature a quick release button for easy installation and removal, making it simple to switch between cleaning tasks. Make sure it fits your model before you buy it. This motorized head has a built-in LED light. It helps you see in dark areas, so you can clean more effectively, even in low light. Please remember not to use it to suck up water. Made from strong ABS, these replacement parts are built to last. The bristles are made of nylon and carbon fiber, which quickly remove tough stains. It's safe for different floors, including carpets and tiles, and it won't cause any damage. The vacuum head can rotate 180 degrees from side to side and 90 degrees up and down. This allows it to easily reach under furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring a complete clean. We offer top-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We promise to respond within 24 hours. We hope you enjoy using it. What we like. This attachment is equipped with an LED light, illuminating dark corners for effective cleaning. The V-shaped brush efficiently removes dust and hair. If you are looking for a more thorough clean, especially in hard-to-reach areas or low-light conditions, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and has a light on it. Fits perfect on my Dyson 8 and super easy to install. It actually has lights with the original didn't I would definitely recommend it. Number 3. Dyson Outsize Series Vacuum Sealing Ring Replacement. This upgraded sealing ring is designed for Dyson Outsize series vacuum cleaners. It's a perfect replacement for models including SV16, SV29, V11, and Gen 5 Outsize variants. This ensures a seamless fit and optimal performance. The canister sealing ring features an upgraded one-piece molding with screw fixing. This design mirrors the Gen 5's dust container seal, enhancing durability and sealing capabilities. It's made from high-quality materials for a longer lifespan. A damaged sealing ring can cause the dustbin to detach or reduce its sealing effectiveness. Replacing it regularly helps capture fine dust particles and maintain your vacuum's optimal performance. This ensures your vacuum works as it should. This sealing ring is compatible with Outsize series models. It fits all dust bins with a diameter of 5.5 inches. Ensure a proper fit for your vacuum cleaner. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues, we offer free returns and exchanges. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. This sealing ring features an upgraded design for better sealing performance. It is made of high-quality, durable materials. If you have noticed a decrease in your vacuum suction power or if the dustbin is falling, you should consider this. What people say. The parts fit perfectly and the vacuum works like new. Easy to install. The replacement parts are exactly what I needed and work great. Number 2. Dyson V10 V11 V15 Gen 5 Dustbin Trigger Switch. This is a replacement part designed specifically for your Dyson vacuum. It's a perfect fit for V10, V11, V15, and Gen 5 models. It will solve the problem of the dustbin not opening. The design has been improved for easier use. The widened release bin switch handle makes emptying the dustbin effortless. It matches the original opening handle perfectly. The original handle was short and narrow, but this upgraded version is wider. This allows you to apply better force and prevents finger pain. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, this replacement part is built to last. The thickened edge makes it more solid and less prone to damage. It's a reliable solution for your vacuum. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, please let us know. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We are here to help you. What we like. This dustbin trigger switch features a wider design for easier use. It is made of durable material. If you like a more comfortable and effortless cleaning experience, you should consider this. What people say. Better than original and super easy to install just like in the video. Order this to replace broken part on vac. Save me $. Easy to replace. Very pleased that I don't have to replace my Dyson as they are so expensive. Dyson no longer carries this piece for my model, so I'm thankful to find a company who makes one that is compatible. Number 1. Improvedhand Dyson V11 Replacement Filter, 2-pack. Introducing the Improvedhand V11 filter, designed for optimal performance. It's made with high-strength and healthy materials, ensuring a truly tidy home and improved air quality. This filter is compatible with V11 cordless vacuums, V11 torque drive, and V11 animal models. It replaces part #9700013-02. Please note that it is not compatible with the V11 Outsize vacuum. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. The Improvedhand vacuum filter features a 2-in-1 design. It effectively traps trash, dirt, and pet hair, even in hard-to-reach areas. Choosing a high-quality filter like this helps you save money in the long run. These filters are washable and reusable. Simply hand wash them with warm water and let them air dry completely before reusing. Regular replacement, depending on usage, is recommended for optimal performance. Improvedhand is committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions about the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This filter is made of high-strength material for optimal performance. It adopts 2-in-1 design to trap trash and dirt. If you are looking for a filter that is easy to maintain and helps improve air quality, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect fit on my V11 vac. Looks and works just like the original. Very happy with the quality, and the fit was a perfect replacement for my Dyson 11. Suction has now been restored and the cleaner picks up as new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.